I think earning money from YouTube channel.
Mm,
Maybe.
I am earning, but still I didn't get my first payment yet. So I'm just waiting for that moment. And I want to leave that
Oh
moment
my God.
actually. Good afternoon, and how have you been?
Yeah, I have been great. And what about you, ma'am?
Yes, I'm doing fantastic. Thank you for asking. So it's
And
been
how about
long
you?
time since we connected.
Yeah, yeah, right, right. So how about your day going so far, ma'am?
Yeah, going so far so good. No
And
complaint.
today's Mahashivratri. So happy Mahashivratri.
Yeah, happy Mahashivratri to you as
Did,
well.
did you celebrate this festival?
Yeah, we celebrate. Actually, we go to the temple to offer prasad and everything like what we offer to Lord Shiva. So I did that ritual.
Mm, mm,
Today I'm in
mm-hmm.
fast also. So yeah, that's
Yes.
my days going on.
Yeah, that's really wonderful things, ma'am.
Do you do
So,
anything with special
in
today?
the not yet, not yet, because today's Sunday, so I think I woke up late
Oh,
because my shift going on midnight shift. Okay, so that's why I'm woke up late. So I am nothing. Okay, this moment, but yeah, enhance some opportunity. Okay, so that's why. Oh my God.
power went off.
Ah,
Do you have any plan
so
in the evening?
no, no, no. Actually, I don't have any plan, but yeah, maybe it might be some usually. I don't have any plan. Okay, for do
Sometimes it's
something.
like unplanned plan because on Sunday, especially if you don't even plan, then something comes up and we plan and we go actually.
Actually, as a worker, as a worker person, actually they have no like a fixed plan where
Yes.
and what is it exactly want to do. So at the moment they made plan and they went to outside, and this is happen. I think every who was a working person. Okay, so
Yeah,
maybe.
working professional, they mostly prefer to, stay home at on their weekends. They want to just relax and maybe they wanna sleep for some time and just wanna relax for
Actually,
like.
and yeah, right, right. Actually, who working in like a night shift,
Hmm.
they, I think, feel like has laziness. Okay, so sometimes feel like I'm not okay, and I want to only sleep and sleep and sleep. So this is
Yeah,
actually I also feel like this because in this week I only I work in my midnight shift. So that's why I feel like laziness. Okay.
mm-hmm. We can't
Mm.
complete our sleep in daytime. Even if you are sleeping for 6 hours, 7 hours, still you won't feel like that you have enough sleep in the daytime.
Right.
But in the night, if
Right.
you
Right.
sleep for around 6 to 7 hours, if you take sleep, then you will feel like, yes, now you have completed your sleep and then you will feel
Mm.
energetic. But yeah, in
Mm-hmm.
nighttime, I can completely agree that,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, it happens. We feel lethargic whole day and feel like we couldn't sleep
Yeah,
properly.
lethargic. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, right. So, what about your journey going on, ma'am? Because I think we met, I think, very long time, and yeah, I saw some video from your on YouTube channel. Most of time, I think I get notification when you uploaded some video. Okay, so so what about your like journey going on? Because nowadays earlier time and now you are I think biggest changes I see I see in you. Okay, so that's why I'm asking you.
Yeah, yeah. So I would say that I'm consistent. Maybe that is the one advantage that I gained this confidence and now I'm able to speak properly. Yeah, I'm
Mm,
consistent on my YouTube also. As you mentioned that you watch videos sometimes, so I'm uploading over there
yeah.
also. Yeah, my
That's
practice is
why.
going.
That's why you are here. Okay, that's why you are, because consistency, one of the most habit. I think you can say like the habit to grow your personality, grow your communication skill, and whatever you want. I think you can go and you can go through. So it's mean consistency is very important for life and everything according to your journey, according to your goal. So if you are maintaining, definitely you can achieve
Yeah, yeah,
with.
you are right. So, in this process, I just didn't learn only English, but I have learned so many things that you can
Mm-hmm.
see that now I gain
Mm-hmm.
confidence. Now I can talk with anyone, and we learned so many
Mm-hmm.
things like proper gesture, eye contact, and these are
Mm-hmm.
the
Mm-hmm.
important part of communication as well. And
Mm-hmm.
obviously,
Mm-hmm.
when we talk with other people, so we learn different things. Like they talk about something different, so we just learn from them also. So yeah.
Right. Actually, when you talk with a different person, so I think you can learn more eye contact, body postures, and communication skill. What they use, word. You can
Mm,
learn
yes.
about sentence, idiom, phrases, everything. So I think talking about a person who's like a beginner, who was like a advanced speaker, they also I think also learn about something. So I this is also good thing. So if you are learning process, if you are learning desire, so you can go through this type activity. Definitely you will enhance some good things and you
Yeah.
observe something. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Agree.
So now you are is mention eye contact, body lectures, everything you learn. So, and what about opinion? My side. If you have any opinion, so you can uh, say
Yeah, I
like
can
this.
see that. Yeah, your eye contact is good now because now
Mm-hmm.
you have
Mm-hmm.
proper eye contacts here. But yeah, still I feel like we
Mm-hmm.
should work on our, posture, gestures, our hand movements. Even I
Mm-hmm.
don't know the correct
Mm-hmm.
posture, but I
Mm-hmm.
think when
Mm-hmm.
you talk, so your body language speaks more than your words, like we say. So if you say something
Mm-hmm.
with like if you have to say something with the enthusiasm, then you have to show on
Mm-hmm.
your face like yes, I'm really happy, or maybe so it should look like on your face as well. So if I have to show
Mm-hmm.
like I'm happy, if I'll say like this, I'm happy, so you won't feel like that, yeah, she is genuinely happy. But if I'll say, yes, I'm
Mm-hmm.
very happy today, so then you can see on my face as well. So these kind of things, expression and everything helps you a lot. Like we call it
Mm-hmm.
verbal communication also. So both are
Verbal
equally
connection.
important. Yeah.
Right,
Still,
right,
I don't
right.
have
Yes,
proper ideas, but still, I feel like that we should work on ourselves on this matter as well.
right,
Apart
right.
from speaking, yeah.
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, right. Actually, I want to ask you, some people are say like this, if you want to talk with a person, and very well manner, so you need to develop your confidence. And so, what about your opinion? Confidence is matter a lot, or just knowledge is matter a lot? What is different between, and both are correct, or just and somewhere if you are confident, so you can talk with other people as well, good manner, or just if you have knowledge, so you can talk with a good manner. What about your opinion?
Mm, I would say both are equally important because if you have knowledge, so we
Mm-hmm.
get some confidence to speak in front of you. For example, you
Mm-hmm.
will ask me any question, or if you will give me any topic, if I am aware, so I will
Mm-hmm.
automatically get confidence to speak. Like, yes, I can speak on this
Mm-hmm.
topic because I am already aware. And if I don't know
Mm-hmm.
about that topic, so maybe I'll feel what should what should I say on this topic? I don't even know. So I'll
Mm-hmm.
lose confidence that time, and I won't be able to speak
Mm-hmm.
properly. But confidence
Mm-hmm.
is not
Right.
something that you can already automatically gain from your knowledge. It is a, I would say, it is
Mm-hmm.
kind of different skill as well. Like you need
Right,
to learn
right, right.
confidence as well. I remember, when I
Mm-hmm.
was in my school or college days. So that time, like I knew the answers already, but when somebody asked me,
Mm-hmm.
like, what would be the answer?
Mm-hmm.
I knew the answer already, but because of lack of confidence, I was not able to present those things. So I
Right,
can't
right,
say
right.
that
Huh.
if you have knowledge, so you can speak. Confidence is something that you have to build it. You need to build it, and you
Right,
can
right.
build it just by your
Mm.
practice. If one day I'll give answer,
Yeah.
I'll I'll
Mm.
get some confidence to speak. Or 1 day or 2 days, if I do this practice, so automatically I'll get confidence
Mm.
to speak. So both are equally
Right,
important in
right.
their place, but we need to learn confidence also.
Confidence matter a lot, but you need to work on like a base,
Hmm.
building your base. Like if you are like building your base strong, definitely your confidence will be increased. But confidence is all about like practice. Practice. If you are
Yes.
practice every day, definitely you will develop your confidence, and knowledge gain your confidence. If you have knowledge, so you can easily describe any particular like a topic. If you don't have knowledge so how can you express your thought and energy to front of other people as well? So
Hmm.
confidence and knowledge important part for life. Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah, definitely.
nowadays you are like I think earning money from YouTube channel,
Mm,
maybe.
I am earning, but still I didn't get my first payment yet. So I'm just waiting for that moment. And I want to leave that
Oh
moment
my
actually.
god. Oh my God. So still, you don't have money. I think you are not earning money from
No,
YouTube
no.
channel.
On YouTube, we have criteria. If you can, first you need to complete $100, minimum $100, then you can get your first
Hmm.
payment. So it is still
Hmm.
in process. So let's see when I'll get.
Okay. Okay. This moment is a very biggest achievement moment. When you get something for life, first time, I think it's a really incredible moment.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
So what
That's
about
really
you?
good.
Are
Huh,
you
ma'am?
also consistent on your YouTube?
I'm not too much consistent this journey because sometime I YouTube on video, but most of time I think I left here because of I think I don't have time much. Okay,
Hmm.
because my duty routine shift. Okay, my duty is routine shift like
Rotational shift.
so that is not like a fix duty. So this is
Mhm.
also problem. Maybe somewhere I feel also laziness or some like you can say like too much feel awkward. Okay, that's why maybe. Okay,
Mhm.
but I want to develop my skill only. That's why reason. Okay, otherwise I don't want to develop my YouTube channel because if you are knowledge person, if you are confidence person, if you have skills, so you can easily develop your YouTube channel and other
Mhm.
social media platform. Other, if you don't have knowledge, so how can develop your like confidence and as well like
Yeah,
YouTube channel
first
also.
we
So
need to work on ourselves.
hmm,
Then we can definitely
right.
do good
So
on
that's
YouTube.
why I believe myself ki if I develop my confidence and skills, definitely I will develop more thing also. Okay.
Hmm. Yeah, you can.
Yeah. Nowadays you are doing job or just at home?
No, no, I'm doing job, and with job, I'm running
Mm-hmm.
my YouTube.
So you are working on like a MNC company, am I right?
Yeah.
MNC.
Yes, you are right.
Yeah.
Do you
Okay.
remember?
Okay. Yeah, I remember. Maybe I'm remembering.
Okay,
Okay.
that's
So
good.
what about you? What about your job going on, ma'am?
Yeah, my job is also going well. So today is Sunday,
Mm-hmm.
so it's
Mm-hmm.
weekend. So that's why I thought I can connect with someone. And yeah,
Mm-hmm.
job is going so well for now, at least. I'm
Mm-hmm.
happy. I'm happy with my job.
Yeah, definitely. If you are happy, so you can go through.
All matter is
Uh,
you are happy and you are satisfied with
right,
the things,
right, right,
then it's absolutely
right,
fine.
right. Right. Happy is very, I think, important part for life, everyone life. Because if you are happy, so you can do better for life. Otherwise, if you don't have like money, if you are not happy this moment and every moment, so I think you not do something. So first you need to work on where you feel happy and
Hmm.
how to get this type of activity, so you can do it. Otherwise people now this time people like working like a uh, robot. Okay,
Yeah.
robot,
So,
like we are working like robots. Every time he'll think like if I earn money, so I can get this type of activity, I can earn money. If I earn money, so I can buy something special. I feel like
hmm,
overthinking this type activity, every person like this. But first we need to work on like happy, like if you are happy, so you can go through everything is a perfect moment. So
yeah, yeah.
everything try. Okay.
Yeah, it depends like what things you are doing. And sometimes it happens like we are doing some job, like most of the people are not happy with their job.
Mm.
So we can say it's compulsion that
Mm.
they have to do for earning and to run their home. But apart from that, if they
Mm-hmm.
can do something else to make them happy, then it's completely fine. At least because we know that job is our compulsion, so anyhow we have to do it. So we can't quit there. But if you
Mm.
can
Right, right, right.
choose some time for yourself and you are working on yourself, you are doing some activities that makes you happy, then yeah, then you should do it, I think, apart from your job as well. So I also believe in
Mm.
work life balance. So I don't want to chase for money only, but yeah, if I'm happy with the, with the hard work or doing lots of work, uh,
Mm.
then it's up to me. Like I'm happy while doing all these things. I'm not taking burden on myself.
Mm.
Then it's fine. So
Mm.
there is no complaint about it.
Right. I will try again. Okay,
Mhm.
after some
No
time.
issue. Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
sure.
Thank you
Thank
for your
thank you so
time.
much, ma'am.
Yeah. Bye
Thank
bye.
you so much, ma'am. Have a good day, ma'am.
Yeah.